Hi everybody, welcome to week 7, module 7. One more week to go in this 8-week session. So this week we're going to be talking about respect in terms of building trust and learning from mistakes. Very famous quote here from Maya Angelou. People will forget what you said and what you did, but they'll never forget how you made them feel. To introduce our discussion about trust. And you'll have one discussion board post and one written assignment. So learning more about learning from mistakes and understanding learning agility. Blue Angels debriefing video is another resource for you. And then to focus on trust, reading about the 3 C's of trust: character, communication, and capability. So as you reflect on trust and your leadership, keep those 3 C's in mind. So an assignment related to learning agility. Basically, you assess yourself here and comment on your learning in a discussion board. So it looks like we've got lots of discussion going already on that topic. And then the individual written assignment focuses on the aspect of trust. Put yourself into this role. You've just received the job of your dreams. What are you going to do in the first 90 days to begin building trust and reflecting back on the 3 C's? So let me know if you have any questions, but have a good week.